Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Welcome to our channel, Official Rahmah, where we are going to embark on a journey to explore the beautiful message of Islam. My name is Ubaidur Rahman and we are honored to have you here. This channel is dedicated to sharing the beautiful teachings of Islam, a religion of peace, justice, and mercy. It is also a platform to address misconceptions and provide clear, authentic knowledge about the essence of our faith. Through this channel, we will dive into topics such as the principles and values that Islam promotes, the life and teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, answers to common questions and misconceptions about Islam, reflections on the Quran and its relevance in our daily lives. So, spreading the beautiful message of Islam with love to all the people around the globe, building bridges in communities through knowledge, breaking down misconceptions about Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ قَوْلًا مِمَّنْ دَعَا إِلَى اللَّهِ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا وَقَالَ إِنَّنِي مِنَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ. And who is better in speech than one who invites to Allah and does righteous deeds and says, indeed, I am of those who submit. Whether you are a Muslim seeking to deepen your understanding or someone curious about Islam, this channel is for you. Let's learn together and build bridges of understanding and mutual respect. The word Islam means submission to the will of God. Islam is derived from the Arabic word Salam, which literally means peace, the religion demonstrating peace and tolerance. We invite you to join us on this meaningful journey. Don't forget to like, share, and comment to help us spread this beautiful message of Islam far and wide. Jazakallahu khair for your support, and may Allah guide us all to the straight path.